Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Bang & Olufsen speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily install it up for your Android device. Now first we have to enter here the settings, connect devices, this gear icon, and here we have install companion app. Let's tap that and tap install button near our application. We can search for this application manually too. Now we have our application installed and we have to tap open. And now our application is installed. Now to add our speaker we have to sign into our account. We can do this using Google. Now we have to add the location permission using the app. Here allow for determining the relative position of your devices. Here we can tap dismiss. Here we can skip the push notifications, and now we can select our speaker. Our speaker is Beosound A1 third generation. We can search for our speaker. It's not there. Here in the Bluetooth speakers we have our Beosound A1 third generation. Let's tap on that and now we are connecting to our product. It may take a while, so don't worry. I do recommend pairing with your speaker before this whole process of doing so. And now we can name our speaker. We can skip this process. And now setup complete. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.